In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to a Monzo pot. By the end, you'll know 2 quick ways to top up any pot, and you can pick whichever feels most natural in the moment. I'll also share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes and keep everything running smoothly. Let's start with the straightforward approach from within a pot. Open the Monzo app on your phone and head to your home screen, scroll through your pots and tap the one you want to add money to. This could be anything you've set up, like bills, savings, or a short-term goal. Once you're inside that pot, tap Add. Type in the amount you'd like to move across and confirm. Depending on your device settings, you may be asked to authenticate with your passcode or biometrics. Take a second to double check the amount and the pot name before you confirm. This small pause helps avoid moving money to the wrong place. If you prefer to start from your main account, there's an equally simple route. From your home screen, open your main account card, look for the Move Money option and tap it. You'll see a list of your pots. Choose the one you want to fund, then enter the amount you want to transfer. This method is great if you're already checking your main balance or reviewing recent activity and want to shift money on the spot without navigating into each pot first. Whichever method you use, the money is transferred instantly. You'll see the pot balance update right away, and your main account will reflect the change at the same time. If you don't spot the update immediately, give the app a second or pull down to refresh. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before starting and confirm that you've selected the correct pot. Many people name pots similarly, so watch out for lookalikes. Keep an eye on your main account balance as you type the amount, especially if you've got upcoming payments. If anything doesn't look right, back up a screen and review rather than rushing through. And if your app layout looks different from what I've described, updating to the latest version usually brings everything back in line. That's it. 2 easy, reliable ways to add money to a Monzo pot. Try both and stick with the one that fits your routine best. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.